Getting started with MS Excel 2007, Part 6. Autofill. Now we will learn about autofill. It is a feature in MS Excel that allows you to quickly create a series of numbers, dates, or other items that follow a particular pattern. Using autofill, you can fill the cells using a predefined or user-defined series of data. You can generate a series either by using the fill handle or by using the edit menu. Using fill handle. Fill handle is the small black plus sign that appears when you place the fill handle of the mouse pointer at the lower right corner of the selected cells. To generate predefined series, the steps to be followed are: specify the initial value of the predefined series, drag the fill handle across the cells you want to fill,